Hello everyone, on this video, we will learn about geostatistic. We will do some zonal statistic analysis using QGIS and study case of malaria event in Nigeria. And further, we will learn how to use Geoda to do global and local Moran analysis. Okay, so at first you have to prepare the data, go to this address, scroll down and download Nigeria population version 1 level 2 administrative. You may click download here. I already downloaded. So it will be like this. Come with zip file. So you need to unzip the file. Okay. I will cancel. And then the second data is come from Malaria Atlas project. You may go to this address. Then click on malaria and download layer. You only need proportion of children from 2 to 10 years. Then click to country, just type Nigeria and click downloads. Okay, it will come in zip file too. So in this case, I already download the data, so I will cancel it. So it's already downloaded. I will delete. Okay, and then next you need to also download and install Geoda. Okay, you may go to this address and go to download and download the Geoda software based on your computer system. Okay. Okay, if all the data are ready, you may open your QGIS and go to browser panel, go to your downloaded data. In this case, my download data already in the downloads folders. And this is for Nigeria data. I will open for level 3 boundaries like this. And then I will open the malaria data. This on the clip data. Okay, I will go to Finder. This one, this is unzip folders, and then I will only select for your 2020. Okay, just drag your data here. Okay. Now, based on this data, we will calculate the zonal statistic. But first, we need to change the symbology. I will make it transparent and range layer. So the vector layer will be on the top like this. Okay, and then for the brush, I will change maybe for to make it visualize. Okay, like this. Then you go to processing toolbox and type on the search window zonal. Double click on Zonal Statistic. Input layer is NGA population boundary. Raster layer is malaria data. And for the prefix, just type malaria. For the statistic, we want to calculate only the MEAN. Okay, just click run, and this is our data. We open the attribute table. Now we have malaria MEAN. Okay, but it is still on the memory, so it is temporary file. So you need to save the data. Right click, export, and save feature as. And select here Nigeria malaria. It is. Click OK, and you may remove this layer. Okay. Now our data is ready, so you may open your Geoda. Okay, so this is our Geoda. Now we open the Nigeria malaria. Nigeria malaria, this one. Okay. Drop file. Then we can create basic maps like one tile map with 5 different classes and select malaria. We can also visualize the histogram of the malaria, or maybe you want to visualize the box plot of malaria like this. Or maybe you want to find the relationship between malaria and populations. Okay, like this. And so this is on the bottom. You will see this is a statistic descriptive. Okay. Okay. Now we may close all. Then we want to calculate the space using global Moran, using this one. Okay, univariate Moran is for global, but first we need to create the weight using tools with manager. Create, then add ID. Anything is fine. In this case, I will select state code, add variable, and you may create like this. Nigeria, malaria, weight, for example. Just click OK and success. Okay. Close this one. You may open the histogram, or if you want to open the connectivity graph. So the distance is using Euclidean distance algorithm. Close this one, and then we analyze using global Morans and see the results. Okay, so you can see here positive 0.8, which is positively clustered. How about the local Morans? We create significance map, cluster map, and Moran scatter plot. So like this. Same. So this is the clustered, the location, high, high, and low, low. This one, the others, low, high, and high, low is outliers. Okay. And then we can also create the others like local G, like this. Same, you create significance map, cluster map. I'm using raw standardized weight. Now we produce a better cluster. Okay. So if you want to save the data, you just right click on the map and click save result and click OK and open the attribute table and check if the data already saved. So now we have this one, okay, this data. Okay, or if you want to do another analysis, for example, cluster space and Lisa, yes, malaria, and click run, okay, and this is your Lisa output. Okay, this is significant 0.05, significant 0.001. In Geoda, you may also put the best map. You may click on this icon. And for example, here I use hybrid from here maps. And this is your maps, best map, okay? Now we save the data. File, save as, and select as receive file, and write Nigeria, malaria, Lisa, like this. In this case, I already saved. I will cancel this one and then go back to Geoda and find my Nigeria, malaria, Lisa, this one. Then open the attribute table. Now I have Lisa index, Lisa cluster, and Lisa significance value. Okay. You can create the thematic map, double click, go to symbology, select graduated, and for the value, we will use this significance level, like this. Then This one is significance. This one is not significant. So you may change the color. For example, this one change to white because this is not significant. Check apply. Okay. Then this one as well. This is also not significant. Like this. And the others is the significant one. You satisfies, you can click OK. So this is your maps. You can add the best maps. Google, for example, Google label or Google satellites. Anything is fine. This for Google labels. If it is not good enough, you may remove. If you want to use OSM, sorry, OSM map, just type Bing aerial and click Add. Okay, now you have very high resolution best map of Bing aerial maps. You can change the rendering, maybe 65%. Okay. That's all how to do some zonal statistic and do the global and local Moran analysis using Geoda. Thank you.